and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. My name's Lavonne and this is my 7-year-old grandson Cameron.
Hi.
And today we're in the kitchen. We're gonna make some dirty rice. We're gonna make it together. You gonna help me out?
Yes.
Okay, so let's show you all the ingredients first. So Cameron's gonna show you our ingredients. So first, we're gonna have some ground beef. Then next, we're going to have some thin Calabrese spicy style sausage. I got that at a Brazilian grocery store, and they didn't have Italian sausage, but I wanted a spicy sausage, so this is a good one. Next, as far as our seasonings, we're gonna use some Creole seasoning. Then we're gonna use some black pepper. And for our vegetables, we're gonna have some onions, which I've already diced up. We're gonna have some celery, which I've diced. And then we have multicolored peppers, which I've also diced. Long grain white rice. And next we're gonna use some chicken broth. And next, last but not least, we have some minced garlic. And we're gonna put that in there as well. So our dirty rice is done. Look at that, look at that. It smells so good. So I'm ready to taste it, see if it's spicy enough for me. Cameron don't really like spicy, so he ain't gonna taste it. Ooh, good. Oh, that's good, Cameron. It's not too spicy though. Ooh. This is good. You wanna taste it? You scared? You scared to taste it? It's good. Just a little bit?
Yeah. Ooh.
I'm gonna finish this, and when it cools down, I'm gonna give Cameron some, but see if he'll taste it. But in the meantime, I'll give it to my husband. I know he's gonna love it. And I got a couple neighbors who've been waiting on it. That's a big pot full, so it's enough to share. But in the meantime, you guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye. Come by. Bye.